Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a 1688 account even if you are outside of China. And it's very simple and easy. Both sites are in Chinese by default. So the first step is to install Google Translate extension. Search Google Translate extension in the Chrome, then click Add to Chrome button, then activate the Google Translate extension. And then now open the home page of 1688. Click the icon of Google Translate and then translate this page. Here's the option. Then to register a 1688 account in 5 steps, just follow these steps. Click on free registration on the 1688 homepage. Here it is. Choose personal account and click the button. Here is personal account and click this one. Type in your personal information, provide all the details. You should use the Google Translate to understand the language. Then slide for the verification code and click this like agree to register. Here it is. Then verify your phone number, enter the verification code you received on your phone and click submit and verify your 1688 code, log into your account, then click account management. Choose my verification on the left sidebar. Here's the option. Then click personal verification. Here this one and this one. And that's how you do it. So now you know how to create a 1688 account. Fast and simple. If this helped, give it a like and check out our playlist for more sourcing tutorials.